For my safety, you said if it's RX, kailangan ng prescription?
Hindi. RX means prescription.
So I need a prescription for that.
So you have no RX?
If no RX, then it means OTC.
Over the counter.
Prescription talaga.
All, sir.
So what other pharmacies are giving that prescription?
Then they're trying to go for, because for me, my license is already there. So if
So
ever
you need Rose Pharmacy and Mercury and Watson, they don't have a license.
they are the PA, sir. If they try to give you without RX, like antibiotics, S2,
No, this is not an antibiotic.
This is a maintenance medicine. It's not a prescription.
if ever you tried, just Google what's the meaning of RX.
Uy, ano
You
ba?
cannot sell us now. You cannot sell it.
If we go for the rules,
Sorry, don't
then
argue with us. Just yes or no.
Yes, I know.
then it's up. Boy, bigay mo kasi nagbe-video na si ma'am. Oh,
Na-live na to.
without RX
Facebook na.
now. Without
I
RX.
am here right now in Capital Care Pharmacy, Landers.
Sa rules of the Philippines with RX, you need prescription.
Pero kung nanan siya
Sige, sige, paano mo siya? Kasi nag-video. Pag sinabi mo yan, tapos maano ka, ikaw maano ka, lisensya mo yan.
Kailangan.
Actually, maintenance mo din siya, ma'am.